We've been doing some tremendous things in the market, from growing at a very rapid pace, thanks to you, to innovating on technologies, hiring the best talent and bringing these turnkey solutions and capabilities, partnering with strategic alliances and technology partners. It was creating a lot of buzz in the organization and is creating a lot of buzz in the market, which obviously got to the ears of ESKO. And in July of 2018, we were officially acquired by ESKO and have now become a wholly owned subsidiary of ESKO.
Now, if you think about the top 10 pharma companies in the world, 6 of them are now working with our solutions. If you would pull the plug out of all ESKO hardware and software solutions we have ever delivered, in 4 weeks down the line, roughly 90% of the supermarket shelves and pharmacy shelves would be white.
How can we not just incrementally improve, but how can we truly evolve our process, evolve our people, evolve our approach, and be the revolutionaries of our niche, of our market?
We are using Blue for more than a year right now, and we are very excited with the kind of a workflow it gives us, traceability and trackability, and the comments and the audit trail that leaves behind, which gives us a good history of how, when, what happened.
We had emails that would be flying around, we had hard copies, we had file folders, and a lot of the information was siloed. People didn't have access to it. So what Blue software was able to solve for us is standardization, documentation. It allowed for information to be shared more freely. And so it's really opened up, the speed to market for new products.
If you do not start with a solid foundation, you cannot really get to where you want to go. If we didn't have and spend the time to figure out the process in an analog way, it would have taken us longer to implement our solution. It would have also been more flawed.
All of you in your companies are doing every day is trying to win the race against your competitors, right? We're trying to out-innovate. We're trying to have consumer insights. We're trying to get better distribution. We're trying to outpace our competitors.
Do not ever underestimate the craziness of this industry and how those around you do not understand it. Have you ever tried to explain what you do to your family?
We needed a special workflow for rebranding that was fast, efficient, and would enable us to meet our time schedule. We needed to move down to an 8-week cycle from the time that we started art development until out the door into our new ERM system, Fusion, and ECOs had to become an 8-week period to make our schedules.
Historically, Lilly has had 6 or 7 different processes that were used for developing artwork. With the implementation of Blue, it has allowed us to consolidate into one process, which has increased efficiency as well as increased visibility.
Well, packaging is shape, packaging is color, packaging is content, packaging is artwork. If you bring these ingredients together, you have phenomenal photorealistic 3D generated images.
We'd been in the dark ages for quite a while with our artwork approval process. So we were doing it manually, walking around from office to office to collect signatures. It was all locally stored. We couldn't do this if we were out working remote. So finding a solution that was browser-based was huge for us and something that could take everything that we wanted to do and be able to grow with us in the future. And so Blue was kind of that solution for us.
The biggest benefit that I've gotten from Blue is just to be able to track all of our artwork. Before it would just go into this like black hole and you didn't know where it'd go, or it'd be on someone's desk. These sign-offs that was just all handwritten. Now it can be easily tracked.
And I think Blue for us is an outstanding addition here to the family. Great team, great leadership team, great experts that will help us to accelerate bringing that strategy, bringing that vision to life here.